The world of science is no stranger to groundbreaking discoveries, yet few have captured the imagination quite like the recent resurrection of an extinct giant, the dire wolf. After a 12,500-year absence, these legendary creatures have returned thanks to the pioneering work of colossal biosciences. This remarkable feat was achieved through a combination of ancient DNA retrieval, cutting-edge cloning techniques, and precise gene editing. The birth of three dire wolf pups, Remus, Romulus, and Khaleesi, marks a watershed moment in our understanding and manipulation of life itself. The implications of this breakthrough extend far beyond the realm of scientific curiosity. The successful breeding of dire wolves opens up a Pandora's box of possibilities, challenging our ethical boundaries and offering a glimmer of hope for the future of conservation. Imagine a world where extinct species once lost to the annals of time could be brought back to life. This is the promise and the peril of de-extinction, a field on the cusp of revolutionizing our relationship with the natural world. The journey to resurrecting the dire wolf was neither short nor simple. It required a Herculean effort from geneticists, paleontologists, and cloning experts. The first hurdle was obtaining viable DNA samples from well-preserved dire wolf remains. This precious genetic material, extracted from fossils dating back thousands of years, provided the blueprint for recreating the extinct species. Once the dire wolf genome was sequenced, scientists could identify the key genetic differences between dire wolves and their closest living relatives, grey wolves. Armed with this knowledge, they embarked on the ambitious task of editing the genome of a grey wolf, meticulously making the necessary changes to transform it into a dire wolf. Through a delicate and intricate process, they altered the genetic code, effectively rewriting the evolutionary history of these fascinating creatures. Although often confused in popular culture, dire wolves, Enosion dirus, and grey wolves, Canis lupus, were distinct species with unique evolutionary trajectories. Dire wolves, as their name suggests, were significantly larger and more powerfully built than their modern-day counterparts. They possessed massive heads, sturdy limbs, and bone-crushing jaws, adaptations that allowed them to prey on the megafauna that roamed Pleistocene North America. Grey wolves, on the other hand, are smaller, more agile, and known for their adaptability. While dire wolves specialized in hunting large prey, grey wolves are opportunistic hunters with a more diverse diet. These differences in size, morphology, and ecological niche highlight the distinct evolutionary paths taken by these two fascinating canids. Section 4. Unlocking the secrets of dire wolf DNA. The genetic differences between dire wolves and grey wolves, though subtle, were crucial in shaping their distinct characteristics. Scientists at Colossal Biosciences identified and manipulated approximately 20 genes across 14 different chromosomes in the grey wolf genome. These targeted changes were responsible for conferring the signature dire wolf traits to the newborn pups. For instance, modifications to genes associated with skeletal development resulted in the pups exhibiting larger shoulders, robust legs, and the characteristic massive skulls and jaws of their extinct ancestors. Interestingly, the pups also displayed variations in coat color, with Romulus and Remus sporting striking white coats, a trait believed to be present in some dire wolf populations. These genetic alterations, meticulously orchestrated by scientists, provide a glimpse into the power and potential of gene editing in shaping the future of life on Earth. Section 5. A glimpse into the Pleistocene, the reign of dire wolves. Dire wolves were formidable predators that thrived in North America during the Pleistocene epoch, a period spanning from 2.6 million to 11,700 years ago. This epoch, often referred to as the Ice Age, was characterized by a harsh climate and the presence of megafauna, giant mammals that included mammoths, mastodons, and giant sloths. Dire wolves, with their powerful build and bone-crushing bite, were perfectly adapted to bring down these massive herbivores. Their reign, however, was not to last. As the Pleistocene drew to a close, a combination of climate change and the disappearance of their primary prey sources led to the extinction of dire wolves. Their demise, along with the extinction of numerous other megafauna species, marked a significant turning point in the ecological history of North America. Section 6. Ethical considerations, the implications of de-extinction. The resurrection of the dire wolf has ignited a fierce debate about the ethical implications of de-extinction. Critics argue that bringing back extinct species could have unforeseen consequences for existing ecosystems. They raise concerns about the potential for introducing new diseases, disrupting delicate ecological balances, and diverting resources from conservation efforts focused on protecting endangered species. Proponents of de-extinction, however, argue that it offers a powerful tool for righting the wrongs of the past. They envision a future where de-extinction could help restore damaged ecosystems, revive lost biodiversity, and provide valuable insights into the complexities of evolution. The ethical considerations surrounding de-extinction are complex and multifaceted, requiring careful consideration and open dialogue as we venture into this uncharted territory. Section 7. A new era for conservation, hope for the future. The successful breeding of dire wolves marks a pivotal moment in the history of conservation. It heralds a new era where genetic engineering and de-extinction could play a significant role in combating the ongoing biodiversity crisis. While the challenges are immense, the potential rewards are even greater. Imagine a future where we could reintroduce extinct species to their former habitats, restore degraded ecosystems to their former glory, and create a more resilient and biodiverse planet. The road ahead is fraught with ethical dilemmas and scientific uncertainties. However, the successful resurrection of the dire wolf offers a beacon of hope, reminding us that even in the face of seemingly insurmountable challenges, the human spirit of innovation and our unwavering determination to protect the natural world can lead to extraordinary breakthroughs. The future of conservation is here, and it's filled with both promise and peril.